What's up, guys? Welcome, Boop. Try that. What's up, guys? Welcome, Gap. Welcome back. Cooler, Final Form, Dragon Ball. Let's go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, all that good stuff, right? Hit pause when you go too fast. Take your time, try to have fun. So, frown in the middle of his face. We're kind of below halfway, okay? So we're just going to start it down here. And then this curves around. Like so. Curve around the other side. These come out to two big spikes outside of his head, right? So you just go real far now. Right, they kind of curve around like so. Right. So, keep going. We will go, let me see. So we go back with the spike. So we go back into there. Like so. Ugh, wobbly lines. And then two more spikes sticking up here, right? So we go up and then up. And then this spike comes out from here. Around. Around, down, into there. To there. And then top of his head comes across here. And we got like some hatching sort of lines in here. And then some texture right on these just to show their kind of bone-like sort of structures, I guess. So what I mean is like there's these kind of things. Like so, and then he has a big jewel right in the middle of his head. So sort of his part of the forehead. So starting here, right, we got the sort of frown, and then we go up. Then it comes around into here. So we change direction. Change direction again. And then around the top. Like so. And you know, you can add more texture and things. Okay, so his eyes, right? So just on the red eyes, right? So we go diagonal. And then in. No irises or pupils, just these sort of triangle sort of things. Right, like so. And then there's a dark part of his face, right? Comes down, across, back up. Around to there. And this is all dark inside here, colored in. Okay, so then he has this mask around his face, right? So say coming down from the corner of his eye. So we go down to there. Down to there. And then this goes diagonal down towards his chin. Like so. And then real square chin. Up around like this. And then we got a line coming down here. A line coming down here. And then maybe like a cheek line or something here. And then all lines coming across his face here. So we go diagonal first, across, and then back diagonal that way. And you just do that a couple of times. So his ears are kind of part of this helmet skull thing that's going on, right? So it kind of goes down here, and then it goes down behind his neck, right back into there, and his neck comes down from here, real wide neck there. And then this joins his jaw down into there. And then we have his ear cavity, so the dark sort of section of his ear, right, just here on the side. And then maybe like another line coming down there. Same on this side. Just like the black hole for his ears. And like some hatching or something coming down there. So then, necklines, center here. Another sort of neck muscle line here. Trapezius muscle curves this way. Trapezius muscle curves that way. He's got another bone-like structure that comes across his chest, right? So he's purple skin, but then the bone comes out this way, right? So we'll do that first. So we go. So at the center of it here, like this letter Y, and then this will go up to there, real big, and then big shoulder pad area. Right, like that. And this comes down. And it becomes his sort of chest muscle area here, which will go down to here and back up to the middle. You have like a curved line there. Right, we do this over here. Now this goes behind his shoulder on this side, so you stop your line there, roughly. This occurs around here. His shoulder's roughly level. And then this will go back down and become his chest armor. Up to the middle like that. So more anatomy then in underneath this armor. So shoulder muscle there. Shoulder muscle here. Chest muscles, so the center line for his chest here. Chest muscles come across like that. Another one there. Like so. Maybe like another one there. Trapezius. Lines like so. So his armpit line just comes down that way. Armpit comes down this way. And then his shoulder sticks out here. So shoulder comes out, down, into there. And then shoulder muscle lines kind of here. And inside, tricep, bicep. That's all. Sort of armpit area. Big muscly shoulder here. Like so. And then it goes down that way. Bicep, tricep. And then there's like texture on all this, right? So, you know, same kind of stuff we did on the bones up here. So you'll just add some more sort of texture coming around this. Just adding it as you go. Yeah, you can kind of do as much as you want, really. Armpit there, so like texture here. Right, but that's it really. That's how to draw cooler final form. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.